Hello friends! I just got a very exciting delivery that I had to come show you right away. Lately I've been putting together a Take Anywhere watercolor sketch kit, which is really funny because we're back in quarantine until the 5th and we ain't going anywhere. Anyway, I was right on the verge of making my own pouch for it because I couldn't find anything that got quite compact enough for me. But then I got this little baby. And it gets so compact, in fact, that I started stuffing it with other stuff. And now it's not just a sketch kit, it's kind of a take everywhere journaling kit. So I wanted to show that to you. This, as you may have already guessed, is the Hobonichi drawer pouch in size small. And this is the Lotus color. If I had looked just a tiny bit closer at the shop listing for the Lotus color, I probably would have ordered yellow. But I'm going to live with it. The outside is gorgeous. It's a beautiful middle value teal color. And the inside is the thing I'm going to have to learn to live with. That is some Pepto-Bismol pink right there. But whatever, it's fine. It's my own fault. I didn't look at all the pictures. Now I know. So let's start on the left side. I have a little bag with my palette pad tucked into the longest pocket in the drawer pouch. My Moleskine fits perfectly in the middle pocket, really snug. And this is a Moleskine sketchbook that I took the paper out of and put in some Strathmore watercolor paper. And it's really great for just doing impromptu little landscape sketches. It has served me very well so far. But you could also put like a field notes in this pocket, or a little pamphlet that you bind yourself with your own paper, and I was thinking that I could do that, and then maybe when I fill them all, I could bind them together inside a cover, and that would be a really cool project. This is a Daiso business card carrier, and I have one of the petite palettes that looks exactly like this, but they are aluminum and not ferrous, whereas the Daiso card carriers are stainless steel, and therefore I can stick them to things with magnets, which increases their utility about 1,000%. So that's what I've done here. I have one piece of magnet in the bottom that's stuck to both my pans and the card case itself. This is some vinyl that I just cut to size and stuck on. And these are 8 of the 12 colors in my winter palette from my last video. So Nickel Azo Yellow, Transparent Pyrrole Orange, Quinacridone Pink, Indanthrone Blue, Phthalo Blue Turquoise, Core Cobalt Teal, Perylene Green, and Moon Glow. All of these are Daniel Smith except for the Cobalt Teal. These are 3 different mixing areas plus the vinyl stuck on. So that is really useful and really low profile. What drew me to this pouch is this pocket right over here because it is really high capacity, but it's also zippered. So all of the chunky things that I have to bring with me in a sketch kit can go really easily in here. And then I started stuffing it on top of that with things that would go in a journaling kit. So to complete the sketch kit, I've got refill water. This came with either a Niji or a Koi water brush, and it's a great little bottle that is much lower profile than my old refill bottle, and it only holds about 10 milliliters less than this one. So that's a good trade-off. I have a Pentel Aquash large nib stuck onto the small mini body from the medium brush that you can buy separately. And then I've got the magnetic clip, which goes right on to my palette very securely. Then clips right on there. And all I have to hold on to is the book and my brush or my pencil. Speaking of pencils, this is a Delphonics 0.5 wooden mechanical pencil that has served me really well, and I like that it's so short and it's just really pocket size, smaller than my book. So this stuff right here is technically all I need for a sketch kit that I can take anywhere and just stick it in my Delphonics. Most of this stuff used to be crammed into the various pockets on my Delphonics, but I got paranoid about them falling out and losing them, especially when I carried my good fountain pen that way. So I didn't want to do that anymore, so that's when I started looking into the pouches. Now on top of that, I have stuck in one of the cheapo fountain pens. This is literally $5 before a coupon. And I like these because the nibs are so thin and flexible that you can actually get a varying line out of them. So that's super cool. I figured if it's going to be a journaling kit, I should have a little folding pair of scissors, just in case I come across any cool ephemera. It's another reason why the zippered pocket is so good. And then these pens are glue sticks. I promise they're glue sticks. Oh my gosh. Come on. They're glue sticks. This is by Smash Company. And I thought that these had all been discontinued. And then I saw quite a few of them at Tuesday Morning. This ink is also waterproof after you let it dry. So I stocked up on these at Tuesday Morning for like $3 a pop, and then also bought a couple of their little journaling kits that include them in them, and now I have quite a hoard of glue stick pens, but they are my all-time favorite glue sticks. So that is it for the pocket at the moment, and then on the back slip pocket, I have washi tape samples. And the only thing that this doesn't include that I use daily for journaling is a means of getting photos into my book. And that's fine because I've got that tucked away in my other journaling kit, the big one, and I don't really need to bring it with me everywhere. This pocket will also, in case you're curious, it will accommodate an Epic pen or the carbon fountain pen, depending on where you get yours, and a Rotring art pen. Those are my two longest pens. So they will, with some doing, fit inside that little zipper pouch. Once I get that all packed away again, I will show you how I carry it all around. I also really appreciate that the zipper pouch has this elastic in it, so even when I unzip it, everything is not going to go flying all over the place. It's still going to be securely held inside. Super low profile, and everything that I need is there. It's a little bit smaller in length than a traveler's notebook, and a little bit thicker. And what I do slip both of those inside, and it closes with plenty of room to spare. So that is my take anywhere setup, even though I am still going nowhere a little bit longer. I would love to hear about any everyday carry sketching or journaling situation that you have down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching.